got my bag, got my reservation, spent each dime I could afford, like a child in wild anticipation, long to hear that